All right, guys, 2002 Acura Integra, built. Brembo brakes, has the upgraded brakes on it too. It's the Integra Type S. You don't see a lot of these anymore. But every Integra I've seen like this age is always clean. Other than that, it's probably not existent anymore. But anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got the factory converter. Then he brought his own kit in right there. And we had to fabricate it. As you guys can see, we had to raise it to 3-inch because his original piping is 2.5. So we raised it to 3-inch right there. And then he brought a Skunk2 cap back system, but as you guys can see from the bolts there, it's rotted out. So we said we're not going to mess with it. He's going to bring it back. We'll probably do a high flow cat on it next, but for right now we're just going to go from there because these bolts are seized and melted together now from the age. Anyways, so there's the 3-inch Skunk system, Skunk2. There's a resonator, and there's the Skunk2. There's the part number on it. You guys want to look for it. We'll see if we have a link in the description for you guys. And as you guys can see, we have to add a hanger on it too to fabricate it to make it fit because it was melting the heck out of that bumper. Look at that right there. Just crazy. So we cleaned it up, got it away from the bumper, got it away from everything. So he's going to have to fix that rear bumper. And there's where we cut it off. There's the resonator and where the cat was right there. As you guys can see, it was all 2-inch pipe that we took off and removed. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Much better. Skunk2 is always a clean sounding system from back in the day. Here's the idle. Give it gas. That opened it up a lot. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 99.5. Again? What do you think? You like it? Yeah, a lot better. Go ahead and back it out. Brembos! Hasn't upgraded the motor at all yet. I thought he did, but he didn't yet. Acura Integra Type S. Rev it! Again? And it is stick shift too, guys. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Acura Integra Type S 2002 6-speed. It's got an upgraded clutch in it though. It's a clean little car. It's got 233,000 miles on it, guys. That is insane for being how clean it is. So whoever had it really enjoyed it before he bought it. As you guys can see, it's like really nice. That's quick for what it is. That's awesome. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it.